Between Kalakal. Bola tayo. Lames on Kusunga and dribbling the ball. Searching. So, mapapansin natin ang lahat ng mga players tonight na nag-ibang teams around here. Sunga for gives to Alcas. Feeds inside on your Mendral. Times in. Good for two. By Arminta. Unang tira. Kalakagsada to Baltasar. Kalakagsada jumpers. And it's good. By Kalakagsada. Jersey number 24 na ay naglalaro din sa Palawan Pampayan last time. Suma fires on the three. Bayani Lames dropped. And the 3-pointers. Player coach. The ball game. On the inbound, Gibbs. Armintas. Dadala ng bola. Send to Alcazar the ball. Just for tonight. Alcazar to Suma. Armenia Bakings. Maramihan dito sa mga around here din one of the sa katatapos lamang Baltasar on the middle. Ito naman yung kagandahan sa Friday Bowlers. So hindi sila pumabayag na hindi sila babawi ng puntos. And there's a foul. Called on jersey number 49, Baltasar. Substitution, Ramos is on the hard court tonight. Abasola is in the hard court then. Lames on the inbound. Sunga. Lames right in off the glass. Wala kalsada. Duka na kalsada. Duka na kalsada again. Down on the baseline. Arminta. Napakaganda ka. Knockdown. Ngunit tanawagan ng 3 seconds violation. Itong si Gibbs Baltasar. That love. Alin? Intercepted yung pasa dito ni Sir Lames. Baltasar, Roger. Traveling violation ang itinawag. Sabi ko si yan ay sa ating mga public servants. Sunga dribbling the ball. Kalakalsada dribbling the ball. Kick out sa Kalakalsada. Drop in. Sunga ball. Searching on the side. Sunga dribbling the ball. Ng barangay pagsulit ng senior division at isa rin sa mga player. Gives 2 pointers tonight para sa Tito Street. Sunga Biggins rejected. That drives in on the baseline. May kasamang foul para sa Sada. Now Warren Andre is one of our officials tonight. Kalakalsada 3-pointers tonight. Mukha ipapahinga muna ang isa sa key players ng Friday Bowlers na si Kalakalsada, number 7. Arminta dribbling the ball to Sunga. Sunga drive and kick out. Milyare. Sunga rebounds. It's Abasola. Abasola to Sunga. And it's good. We're now all in a tie here on this quarter. Baltasar fires at it. Arminta against Calma. Sunga. Arminta again on the 3-point shot. Ramos Tobias dribbling the ball. Jumpers, unit may foul. Foul para Velasquez and Gadisa still Cabrera para sa set para sa isang Baltasar. Second jumpers para kay Baltasar is very good. His second try. Super play para kay Abasola. Calma, setting play. Tobias. Back to Tobias. And there is a foul. Time out tayo para sa Tito's team. Magbabalik tayo sa ilang sandali lamang.
Pwede ko lang mag-ano sa oh.
We're now back into the game. Remaining time on the board is 2 minutes.
Wala lang kaya? Saan? Ay, dirinig yung ano. Dati yung... Sige. Eh, pero mo ko nito. Para may monitor ko. Paano? Kasi kita mo naman. Sige. Eh, pero mo ko nito. Para may monitor ko. Paano? Kasi kita mo naman.
Velasquez on the rebound gives to Sunga. Velasquez. Sunga dribbling the ball. Gives to Sunga. Cross pass. Back in. Batista nag-send ng pasa kay Sunga. Ngunit dito na salo. Again, Sunga on the inbounds. Cross pass on jersey number 34. Velasquez. Jumpers and Sunga again. Gadisa fires at the 3-point range. What a shot by Gadisa. And drop 3-pointers tonight. Tobias. Abasola on the rebound. Gadisa dribbling the ball. Nijare Sunga drop in. Drop to 1 minute and 10 seconds here on the first quarter of the game. Tobias cross pass to San Juan. San Juan for his second 3-pointers tonight is in. Three-point lead para sa team ng Friday Bowlers tonight. Nangyari attacking Abasola sa ilalim, and it's good by Mr. Abasola, Michael. Tobias na-receive ng bola. Dribbling the ball. Kick inside, and it's good. 20 seconds remaining on this quarter. 15 seconds. 10 segundo. San Juan drop in. Lays it up. Ang ganda ng pasa ni San Juan para kay Calma. And it's good for 2. Oh my God! Gadista dropped again the 3-pointers tonight. Buzzer beater 3-pointers. Ay nagawa natin si Gadista. That is the end of the first quarter. At nakita naman natin mga kaibigan na hindi nagkakalayo yung puntos ng Titos at Friday Bowlers. 2 puntos lang ang inilamang ng Friday Bowlers tonight. And we're now back into the game for the second quarter of this game. So shoutout po sa mga kaibigan natin na nanonood online at sa mga kanya-kanya ng bahay. Shoutout po sa mga kaibigan natin na nanonood online. Ang ating pong palaro ngayong gabi ay ginaganap dito sa Barangay Lambuin, Santa Cruz, Laguna. On the start of the second frame, bola tayo ng Friday Bowlers. Kalakalsada on the inbound. Game sa Kalakalsada. Odehar Michael is on the board. Verinya dropped the 2-pointers on the opening frame of this quarter. Arminta dribbling the ball. Gives Alcazar. Jesus drives and lay up. And it's good for 2. And there's a whistle. Meron tayo itinawag dito. Ang jersey number 23, Jesus. Unang foul tayo para kay Jesus. At unang foul para sa Titos. Ramos on the inbound. Kalakalsada on the side wing. 3-pointers not good. Kalakalsada rebound. And Ramos rebounds the ball. They had a foul on the moment on jersey number 6, Alcazar. They had a foul on the moment on jersey number 6, Alcazar. Ramos para sa unang puntos, wala. Ramos para sa unang puntos, wala. Second puntos para kay Ramos is in. Alcazar on the inbound to Arminta. Second puntos para kay Ramos is in. Almedral sa gitna, drop the 2-pointers. Verinya on the baseline. Gadista intercepted. Almedral gives to Baltasar. Lumabas ang ball natin tonight with 18 seconds on the shot clock. Gadista drives in. Ngunit may foul na itinawag ang ating referee. Verinya sa unang foul niya for tonight. Verinya sa unang foul niya for tonight. Gadista sa free throw lane. Unang puntos. Pangalawang puntos para kay Gadista. Michael Odehar na magkaibang kulay ang sapatos. Verinya for 2. Kita natin, no? Ito si Sir Michael Odehar ay isa to sa kapitag-pitagan dito sa Santa Cruz. At kung saan liga ko rin to siya nakikita, no? Sa Takanel at sa iba-iba pang liga dito sa loob ng Santa Cruz. Shoutout po sa barangay captain ng Barangay Labuin na si Kapitan Dante Crisostomo. Arminta dropped the 2-pointers tonight. Kalsada on the baseline, Guerrilla. Kalsada rebounds. Mali ang pass na Jesus, still the ball. Another jumpers on Alcazar. Change favor tayo dito, mga kaibigan. With a 3-point lead para sa bola ng Titos. 39-36. Para sa bola ng Titos. 39-36. Kalsada, first jumpers tonight, not good. And the second jumper is in. Almendra dribbling the ball, gives Arminta. Arminta cross pass to Jesus, gives him the inside. Almidral comes area. Guerrilla dribblings. Ramos, Kalsada, pass to Kalsada on the inside. Ngunit intercept ito ni Jesus. Arminta drives in. No good. Kalsada rebound the ball. Gives to Kalsada to Ramos on the finish. Wala pa rin. Kita naman natin, mga kaibigan, yung endurance. Parang mga 25 years old na mga naglalaro on our high court sila. Rivera dropped the 3-pointers. Sabi nga ng mga matatanda, nakalabaw lamang ang tumatanda. Kalsada on the mid-range 3-pointers. Sabi nga ng mga matatanda, nakalabaw lamang ang tumatanda. Arminta dribblings, Domo down dribblings, gives to Jesus. Jesus cross pass and traveling violation tayo. Ito na mga kaibigan, muling ibabalik on the hard court itong si Sunga and Abasola sa Titos. Jesus cross pass and ito na mga kaibigan, muling ibabalik on the hard court. Kalsada, Kings, Christian, Kalsada, ODR, Bato Kalsada, and ODR. And so pasok Kalsada, on the middle, bola tayo ng Titos. Sunga, bullet pass. Sayang ang bola, ha. Tapo ng sabaw para sa pasa na yon ni Mr. Sunga. Kalsada, another troubling violation head of our official Warren Andres. Abasola at Sakin on the grass. See the foul tonight. Abasola at Sakin on the grass. See the foul. Abasola, one of the goals is in. Baltasar for Odihar tonight. Pahinga muna ng kapraso itong si Boss Michael. On the red and white jumper, not in. Abasola rebound the ball. Israel Cabrera. Kalakasada. Block by Abasola. Ito si Christian. Rebound. Kalakasada. On the mid-range again. Cabrera rebound. Attacking. Kalakasada finishes with the 2 pointers. Arminta bullet pass to Rivera. Rivera on the 3. Ang tatanong pagkakapasa from the inbound out to the 3-point lane. Kalakasada lays it off. Good for 2. Unbelievable shot by Rivera. Sunga dribbling the ball. Gives to Jesus. We're down into 5 minutes on the clock. Abasola fires. Not good. Kalakasada. Ito si Mr. Kalakasada. Parang wala rin, wala rin pagod sa paglalaro ng basketball. And there's a foul. Motion foul tayo on jersey number 23, De Jesus. Kalakasada, substitution. And we're now at Sir Bayani Lames entering the hardcourt tonight para sa Titos. Kalakasada gives to Baltasar. Baltasar dribbling, jumper sa rin. Abasola rebound the ball, gives to Sunga. Itong mga Titos, hindi mapagkakama ng mga Titos. Ay, para mga batang-bata pa. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Sunga steals the ball. Sunga cross pass to Lames. Bayani Lames. Wrong pass. Armin down the 3-point lane. And it's very good by Mr. Arminta tonight. Parang ang team ng Titos ay binubo ng mga ilang 3-pointers tonight. Kalakasada drop in on the middle, in the rim. Ngunit wala, Arminta rebound the ball. At pass to Lames, intercepted by Alcazar. And there's a foul. Had on jersey number 5, Arminta. Abasola nilabas. And San Juan and Tech entering the hard court para sa Friday Ballers. Second jumper is in. Arminta nilabas muna sa playing court. At si Sir Milyari entering the hard court tonight. Sunga on the dribblings. Kick out to Abasola. Taking sa the 3-point lane. Bayani Lames on the 3-point wing. Milyari drives in. Not good. Calma on the dribblings. It's on the middle of Mr. Tech. Wearing jersey number 23 is in. Sunga dribbling the ball. Sunga dribblings. Checking by Calma. Gives to Lames. Napakagandang pasa mula kay Sunga papunta kay Lames to get the 2-pointers tonight. Lobo tayo. Sa 6 na puntos na kalamangan para sa Titos, 53-47. San Juan, jumpers and drop. Cabrera to Alcazar. Abasola, rebound, defending it. Gives to Milyari. Milyari dribbling the ball. Sunga dribbling the ball. San Juan dribbling the ball. Kick out inside. Don Calma jumps in. Good. So siyang tumatay yung point guard ng Titos. Lames got the 2-pointers on the mid-range. San Juan nagdadala ng bola. To Baltasar dribbling the ball. And Sunga's intercepted it. Sunga drive. Rejected. At tumawag na ng timeout itong si Boss Michael Odiar upang makapagpahinga ang kanyang mga teammates. Patuloy na lumulobo ang kalamangan ng Titos sa gabing ito. With the 8-point lead para tayo sa Titos ngayong gabi, 55-47. Babalik tayo sa ilang sandali lamang. Tumawag din ng timeout itong team ng Titos. Balik tayo sa laro. Down into 1 minute and 29 seconds on the game clock. Bola tayo ng Titos ngayong gabi. Sunga. Velasquez intercepted. Bola pa rin tayo ng Titos and 15 seconds shot clock on the board. Milyari to Sunga again. Sunga on the mid-range is in. Baltasar dribblings, drive against Sunga, and there's a whistle. Jersey number 24, Sunga. Pangalawang foul na nito ni Sunga tonight. And now rise into 10-point lead para sa team ng Titos for the score of 57-47. Two-point play tayo dito para kay Baltasar. Milyari. Dribblings. Cross pass sa Sunga. Ito si Sunga yung parang inaasahan nila na point guard ng team ng Titos. Down into 50 seconds remaining. Lames sa gitna. Good. May pushing foul na itinawag ang ating official. On jersey number 34, Velasquez. We're on the penalty situation para sa team ng Titos. Titira ng 2 bonus itong number 23 na si Baltasar. First try is good. Second try, wala. Alban rebound, Velasquez and Sunga. Kita natin kung paano nagseset ng play itong si Sunga, no? Lames, dribbling. Alban, cross pass si Sunga. Sunga, drop to Milyare. Velasquez. Cabrera on the rebounds. Hindi man nag-shoot yung tira pero kita natin kung paano nagsiset ng play. Ito si Sunga para sa Titos. Now down into 19 seconds remaining on the board. 15 seconds remaining on the board. Ikaw to Lames. Bayani Lames. Doggers the 3-pointers. Ikalawang 3-pointers ayan ni Sir Bayani Lames. Alright, and that's the end of the second quarter of this game. Lobo tayo sa 10 puntos sa kalamangan para sa toss. Balik tayo sa sandali lang mga kaibigan. Okay, we're now back into the game. This is the third quarter of this match between Friday Bowlers and Team Titos. 10-point lead para sa Titos for tonight. Tingnan natin kung mababaliktad ba ito ng Friday Bowlers o mananatili ang puntos at ang kalamangan ng Titos ngayong gabi. So medyo may konting chinecheck lang at kinukonfirm ang ating mga officials. Bola tayo ng break. And ayan, sa tingin ko naman ay okay na. Bola tayo para sa Friday Bowlers. Baltasar on the inbound gives to Calacalzada. On the start of the third frame, Calacalzada drives in, jump the ball, not good. Bola tayo para sa Titos. Arminta on the dribblings gives to Abasola. Mabela si Abasola. Check Calacalzada. Same ball tayo. Tama sa paa ni Mr. Ramos ang bola. Calacalzada steal the ball, drives against the white and the red, drop in not good. Arellano to Arminta. To Abasola, drop in not good. Ramos, Baltasar. Baltasar dribblings, cross pass, jump the ball, rebound on jersey number 28, Tobias, to Calacalzada, fires not good. Baltasar again, drop inside. Baltasar on the rebound. Napakalakas at hustle playing. And finish by Calacalzada, drop the 3-pointers. Arminta received the bullet pass, intercepted by Calacalzada. Calacalzada jumpers, and there's a whistle. Abasola for his first personal foul tonight. Calacalzada on the free throws. First jumper is in. Second jumper tayo para kay Calacalzada. 2-point play for him. Arminta nagdadala ng bola. Cross pass sa Abasola. Ang El Aparador ng Santo Angel Norte. Calacalzada intercepted it. Baltasar dribbling on the middle to Calacalzada. Drop inside. Foul to Calacalzada and a wall shot is in. Nakita na papasuntok si Boss Michael on the situation. Tayo para sa Titos. Maganda ang pagpasok ng momentum ng Friday Bowlers on the start of this third quarter. 2 minutes under, nakapagtala sila ng 6 na puntos para bumaba ang kalamangan ng Titos sa 4, mga kaibigan. Tingnan natin kung may pagpapatuloy ito ng Friday Bowlers at sa hustle play na ipinapakita nila, mukhang kumpiyansa silang sungkitin ang kampyonato ngayong gabi. Mr. Sunga is on the high court for being the court general of the Titos. Arminta jumps in. Velasquez saved the ball. Back to Arminta. And to Sunga. Down into 10 seconds. Napamura. Ito Mr. Sunga. Intercepted by Kalakalsada. Bola tayo ng Titos. Sunga dribblings. Kick out. Almendral. Ito yung maganda kapag meron court general o igi-igi na point guard. Pero isa rin sa disadvantage is for the teammate himself pag hindi nasasalo o nakukuha yung mga ipapasa yung bola. No? So Kalakalsada jumpers receive the foul from jersey number 29, Milyare. Almendras out of the game for substitution. Unang tira para kay Kalakalsada is in. Second jumpers para kay Kalakalsada is in again. Sunga dribblings the ball. Armita Alcazar on the side jumpers. Tobias. Mukhang napako na ang Titos into 60 points tonight. Dadalawa na lang kalamangan para sa Titos. Ulit hindi matapos ang laro. And there's a foul on jersey number 7, Kalakalsada for his first foul tonight. Milyare out. And Mr. Bayani Lames is entering the court again. Bayani Lames dribblings and gives to Sunga. Sunga cross pass. Baltasar Alcazar lays it up. Ramos rebound the ball. And Alcazar attempting to steal. Baltasar dribbling the ball against Sunga. Jumpers against Sunga, and it's in. We're now all and tie at 60 points here on the third quarter. Under 4-minute marks, nahabol kagad ng Friday Ballers and 10 points leading ng Titos. Nakita natin yung 10-0 run ng Friday Ballers tonight. Another jumpers from Abasolas not in. Magbibigay na pala kalamangan ang Friday Ballers ngayon. Ramos, Kalakalsada on the finish. Change favor na tayo. In favor na tayo ng Friday Ballers. 62-60. Mukhang pinako ng Friday Ballers ang Titos into the 60 points tonight. Arminta, Abasola. Back to Arminta as on the middle. Jumper is good. Kalakalsada dribbling the ball. Under the 5-minute marks, 10 seconds to shoot. Para kay Baltasar. Drop to Kalakalsada. And he missed the shot. Follow up again. Another jumper na rin. By Kalakalsada. Ngunit bola pa rin tayo ng red and white. 3-pointers. Tobias Abdul. Kalakalsada again. Not yet again. Arminta. Dribblings. Robin. Baltasar. Intercepted. Baltasar from the court. Up to the court. Give her 2 points tonight. Lames. And there's a whistle. We had a foul on jersey number 7, Mr. Calacalzada, for his second fouls tonight. And official call for warning for the technical para sa bench ng Pride Ballers. Substitution tayo. Arminta para kay Gadista for tonight. 2-point lead para sa Friday Ballers. Sunga dribblings. He's setting a play for the Titos. This is jumpers. Gadista. 2-pointers for tonight is in. Ramos on the inbound. Tobias to Calacalzada. Baltasar on the middle. Gives to Calacalzada, number 7. Within the ball. On the long 3-pointers. Calacalzada. Drop in 3-pointers for tonight. Sunga, Gadista, fires. Hindi pa tapos ang laban. Gadista bumato rin ng 3-pointers. And it's good. The crowd is getting wild. Calacalzada jumpers 2-point on the side wing and it's in. Lalabas muna si Calacalzada, number 7, and Ramos para kay Cabrera and Campbell. Calacalzada, first free throw, is in. Alcazar dribblings. Jumpers. Jumper tayo. Bola tayo at mananatili ang bola on the white and red shirt. Titos. Berinya entering the hard court for Calacalzada. Alcazar. Sunga on the dribblings. Sunga pushing to Gadista, and there's a foul on Berinya, number 19. Seventh personal foul para sa kay Berinya. Upo muna tayo si Abasola para kay Mr. Milyari. Gadista first pointers tonight for the free throws, not good. Second jumper tayo para kay Gadista. Calacalzada inupo muna para makahinga ng pahinga. Mr. Baltasar is entering the court. Bullet passing. That's a wrong move. And so grab for the tie ball here on the third quarter. All tayo on the 70 points. Mukhang nagkamali ng play doon si Calma. Babawi siya on a 3-point play. Not good. Sunga on the ball. Attempting to drop the drop, but the bullet. Berinya to San Juan. San Juan drives against Sunga. Cabrera rejected from behind by Gadista. At tinawagan ng foul. Cabrera, second personal foul. 13 foul para tayo sa Friday Bowlers. Lanes dribbling the ball against Calma. On the side, kumawala. Rebound by Calma from behind. Calma, drop on the side, San Juan, Baltasar, fires na rin. Birriña, good for 2. On jersey number 56, Cabrera. Same ball tayo. 16 seconds on the board. Dalawang kalamangan ng Friday Bowlers, 72-70. Lames. Jumpers off the glass, not good. Rebound by Milyari. All rebound and drop the 2-pointers. San Juan drives in, off the glass. Good for 2. Ito yung isa sa magagandang laban na mga kaibigan, yung hindi nagtatambakan dahil nandito yung excitement ng laro, hindi nagkakalayo yung mga puntos ng bawat team sa ito. And a whistle coming from our official, and on jersey number 49, Baltasar. Unang foul para kay Mr. Baltasar. Warning tayo. Radisa dribbling the ball. Drop in. 2-pointers are good. Lames for the rebounders. Jumpers on the 3-point. Milyari. And there's a foul. Another foul called on jersey number 49. Baltasar. Third personal foul for Baltasar. And Friday Bowlers. Baltasar to Cabrera again. Setting play for Calma. Calma to Baltasar. Birriña triggers on the 3-pointers. Jumpers on Cabrera, not good. Lumuwag yung play dito ng Friday Bowlers dahil iniupo yung mga key players, pero tingnan natin kung anong magagawa. And there's a whistle. Taob dito si Mr. Lames. Pangalawang puntos ay wala. Baltasar, Calma. Calma dribbling the ball. Cross pass. Cabrera, 3-pointers. 3-pointers dito yung inaasahan ng Friday Bowlers. At every time na may mga teammates natatayo para sa 3-pointers, tumatayo rin at they're getting excited for that 3-pointers. San Juan drive and drop the 2 points. Drop tayo at 40 seconds of this game. And another foul coming from jersey number 10. Sunga, unang jumpers for the free throws is in. Pangalawang jumpers si Sunga. 2-point play para kay Sunga. 40 seconds. 35 seconds on the board. Cabrera down to 30. Lames save the ball. Almost. Okay, tinawag ang ating referee. 7 on the line. 23 seconds on the board.
is the final quarter. Let's start the please the last and final quarter.
Mamaya, may spotlight.
Tinan mo yung ano, tinan mo yung light. Ako gusto rin yung load ko.
Oo nga.
Ah, okay pa? Okay pa? Wala nang casting. Ayun, okay.
Langsana. Odehan. Logo. Suna. Ugadista. Logo. Suna. Short. White ball.
Nag-init yung cellphone sa ano, sa mic. Ewan tayong battery. Wala namang saksakan dito. Sayang.
Nasola Logo. Wala nang patay. Langsana.
Muna ako.
Langsana. Logo.
Pero 76 na.
Nasola Ugadista. Yes, sir. Nakagawa nyo ng labangan ng 5 golditos. Ang kalabangan ng 5 bowlers, 7-76. Zuna, Juanita, Lulu, Bambebek, Pastor Langsana. Pastor Langsana, 2 points, maganda ng pasan. Airball. Langsana, Langsana. Langsana, 2 points, Chase Paper again, 18-79. In favor of Flying Horns. Magandang labang palit ang lamang ng kalaman. Amazola. Sabres. Logo. Damay Langsana. Foul. Foul number 2. Galdista. Santusan. Galdista out. Lares in. Maros Bramas again. Logo. White ball. Arminda. Batasi defender back. Pastor Langsana. Foul. Foul number 24, Super. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Titos. And they have the Ramos Lapas again. Off the glass. The boys playing back. Zika. Rasto de Langsana. Pastor Arminda. Rejected bola. Zebol. 2 seconds Shamla. Seconds Shamla. Offensive rebound kay Zuma. Rejected, another rebound. Masuladas, 5 seconds shot. Lusot, rejected. Single. 13 seconds shot. Zuma sa press. 3 points Zuma. Avanzada, flies free. No good, come back. No game. Pamela, after 2 lames. 2 points, 6 people again. Bola terlebihan ke dalam sana. Shot follow up dari Ramos. No good. Simon. Away timeout. Private bowlers.
In live. Ito po rin. Habang ka na dito. So. Oh, yeah. Robot na. 20%.
Siapa puno ay set kay Luis Balaber. Kalau si Derek Ricardo, perbuatan pemain. Now, dasar pas. Pada Ramos, Ramos, Ramos. Foul number 28, pushing foul, Tobias. Tobias, first personal foul, first team foul, private bowlers. Natutulungan ng tola out.
Ingat yung Manila.
Siapa pula ay kalansaran, sabi ni Jer Tobias. Masola, pasto Lames. Lames sa press, no good. Offensive rebound ng Villarreal, no good. Rebound. Save ball, 14 seconds shot clock. Lames sa zona. Alas kay Drek. Jogo, papel arbitral, nawala po ang bola. Save ball. Shuttle naman daw kay Ate Jane. Villarreal sa ilalim. 7 seconds shot clock. No good, doon sa foul.
Ano, hindi mo ngayon na, gumagat.
Foul number 23, 10. Next second personal foul, second team foul, private bowlers. 10 seconds shot clock. After Palma, 3 seconds violation. This is live for El Mario, live coverage from Pagayna Bui, Santa Cruz Laguna Basketball League. Remaining time 5 minutes to play. Tobias ang pasa kay Ramos. William, 15 seconds shot clock. Lamens, 10 seconds to shoot. Almedran. Foul number 39, Ramos. Silabakan. Out. Almedran out. Napasola out, Nakasar in, Suma in. Ramos second personal foul, 33 foul, 5 bowlers. Intercept by Ramos. Pass to Palma. Palma to Opera, pass to Palma to Baltazar. Nice second shot, Baltazar. Tobias. 2 points, Tobias.
Wala akong oras dito. Hindi ako naka...
4 minutes to play, Arluca. Logo, Bumabay Ramos.
Hindi nakakundi ako na Press!
Baltazar. Airball. Bumabay Baltazar. Pass to Zuma. Pass to Marbita. Marbita Lucasov, 2 points. Tobias. Tobias, 2 points. Nabasar out.
Nico!
Halaman Sara in 3 minutes to play. Zuma. Marbita, Pate. Baltazar. Logo. Pushing foul. Pushing foul number 26. Miliar. Satu. Baru. Timeout.
Litong-lito na siya.
Vitos.
Lipat ako doon, wala na akong battery. Hindi makatapos eh. Sorry.
Vitos, they have 1 more timeout. Fighting Bowlers, they have 2 more timeout.
Meron yung check station dyan. Ang baba.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 51 seconds. Score of 90-86 in favor of Friday Bowlers.
Wala mang tawag. Ang baba nito.
Alma. Pasok ka lang Calzada. To Cabrera. Back to Calzada. Lumusot. No good. Calzada, no good. Back to sa foul. Foul number 5, Armita. Armita, first personal foul. Warning for penalty. Titos. First try, Calzada is good. Second try, no good. Bola, white ball. Armita, Pasusuna. Tugadista. Armita sa tres. Lugo, libantay ka na Calzada. Fifteen second shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Last 2 minutes. And now Armita. Trapas for Milyare. 2 points by Milyare. One minute 45 seconds. 91-88 in favor of Friday Ballers. Tobias. No good. Trouble. White ball. Timeout. Friday Ballers. Both teams, they have one more timeout. Remaining time 1 minute and 35 seconds. To the score of 91-88 in favor of Friday Ballers. Muli magandang gabi po sa Barangay Labuin. Yung po mga nasa labas, pumasok kayo, libre ko na kayo. Ayun, may luwag pa o. Maluwag pa, libre ko na. Libre na.
Wala akong monitor. Ito, sumaksak na ito.
Let's pass the pro game once again. 1 minute and 34 seconds. To the score of 91-88 in favor of Friday Ballers. 15 second shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot.
Yes.
Gatista, 2 points. One minute 10 seconds. 15 second shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Abasala. Basket de Babasar. Seconds, Suma. Aras Miguel Calzada. Rejected Miguel Cabrera. Bola napunta kay Calzada. 93-90, favor of Friday Ballers. 40 seconds remaining time. 50 seconds shot clock. Tobias sa Calzada. Good. Rebound by Trouble. Sable. Sable, 13 second shot clock, 13 seconds to shoot. Remaining time 29 seconds. 13 seconds shot clock, 13 seconds to shoot. 93-90 in favor of Friday Bowlers. Tobias. 10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds to shoot. No good. White ball, 16 seconds shot clock. No more. 16 seconds remaining time. No more shot clock. Timeout, Titos. Rep, may foul ba, Rep? Walang foul. Kicking ball. Friday Bowlers, 13 foul. Titos, warning for penalty. Remaining time, 16 seconds. To the score of 93-90 in favor of Titos. Basketball game. Sa napagandang laban ng dalawang koponan.
Ito ko kaya.
Sino kaya ang magwawagi?
Ito ko kaya. Larong maganda. Ano dyan? Ano?
Armita Tuzuna, 15 seconds. 12 seconds. Foul Kalakansada. First personal foul, warning for penalty. Warning for penalty, 12 seconds. 12 seconds.
Tres ang baba ko, Tres ah. Tres ang baba ko.
Rejected. Instead of 9. 11 seconds.
Ayan! Pare, sige mo, galing sa kabila.
Coach, ano mo lang nabas na lang?
Sige, Skoy, kapag mo bola. Hey! Go! Takbo!
Nagasela. Timeout. 2 points. 3 seconds. And of the ball game, nice team, both teams. Congratulations, Friday Bowlers for the win.